Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come out to show you making of this beautiful designer neckline, which you can try using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be using golden beads of stitching with a cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. This is how we have to insert 3 to 4 at a time and giving an overlapping stitches like this so that it will secure and the stiffness will be continued. This design you can also try in the same way on the sleeves also, following these instructions. These are classic looking traditional designs which will really gives the rich appeal with the simple saree also. Now I'll be applying the glue lines on both the sides of these beads to stick the chain ball lace. These are medium size chain ball lace. The materials which I am going to use for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops. Also the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. This is how we have to stick the chain ball lace. Instead of chain ball lace, you can also try with the stone lace or pearl lace. It's completely optional. Now further extending this design using the pearl and the sugar bead of very small size. So inserting both at a time, we have to give the stitch for the joining of these two. And then next, without leaving any gaps like this, now in the center I'd be inserting the needle. That means in both of these two, the center has to be inserted in the needle. And again pearl with the sugar bead, I'd be pulling the needle, keeping away the sugar bead, inserting back through the pearl like this. This is how the hanging pattern will be elevated. So firstly, underneath we have to give the joining with these pearls and the sugar beads. Again in the centers also we have to give just like the hanging pattern. These designs you can easily try on stitched blouses or else for the designing of any plain suits on the necklines, also on the sleeves. So here I'd be stitching the under pearl and the sugar bead. These designs are so unique that you can design it easily without wasting of time. Once the glue of this chain ball lace is dried, we have to give an invisible stitches on it also, so that even after the frequent washes it will not come out. So once the underneath beads work is done, we can do the centers of these stitching. This is how the complete neckline and also the sleeves will be elevated with the pearls and the gold sugar beads. This is how it looks. And once completed, the complete neckline would look like this. This will really gives a classic traditional look which will really gives a rich appeal